Good morning, students. Now we are going to move forward with our continuous series examples. So, what is continuous series? See, let us understand first what is the meaning of this continuous series is. See, these numbers, you can see these numbers are in range. What is given here? Marks. So here, how many scores, how many scored the marks between 0 and 10 is given in form of counting or number of observation. Here it explains that between 0 to 10 marks, there were such kind of students, there were 20. Okay. Those who scored 20 to 20, there were 24 students. So this is again a kind of continuous series, but make sure that the thing is that when this limits this 0, this thing is called as lower limit or L1. This here 10, this is called as L2 or upper limit. Lower limit and upper limit is given over here. So when this lower limit is there, so the next class interval should begin with the same number. Okay, the same lower limit will come here. Then the difference is again of 10. So we can find that the difference is 10 everywhere. So here no problem to solve in such kind of question. Okay, because if there is no difference, then there is no problem. Okay, now how to proceed in this continuous series? See, considering this mid value which is x, in discrete series we were already having this frequency, and this is right now class interval. But in this discrete series, you are having f and x. Here we'll have to find, the first step will be calculating the mid value in case of continuous series. So how to calculate this mid value? See, 0 and 10. Okay, so here the formula for calculating this thing will be L1 plus L2 divided by 2. That is lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. So this will give you the value of mid value. This is how you can calculate the mid value. Okay, so 0 plus 10 divided by 2, it will be 5. Then 10 and 20 divided by 2, it will be 15. Now you can see there's a difference of 10, so you can just add like this: 25, 35, 45. Okay, now what to do? Now we will simply be doing f into x. Okay, so the formula for this particular numerical for finding mean will be summation of fx upon n. Okay, so the same formula will be used here, nothing new is here. So let us calculate. So here this will be 100. Now what is will be this value? 24 into 15 it will be, so it will be 5 for the 20, 5 to the 10 12, and this will be 24. So 0 6 and 3, so 360 we will write over here. Okay, now 25 for the, it will be 100, and 1 0 is there, 1000. Now this value we will have to multiply, that is 36 into 35, so 5 6 is 30, 15 18. Now this 3 6 is 18. Okay, 6 is 9 and 10. So here 0, 8 and 8 will be 16, this will be 2, this will be 1. So 1 to 60 we can write. Okay, now 45 to the, so 90 and one more 0. Now as we know, we need the total of these values. So summation for this particular thing will come over here. Okay, so we'll do the total for these values first. Okay, so 0, the first thing, then look at the second number, 6, 6, so 12. Okay, look at the third number, the 2, 2 and 3, 5, 5 and 2, 7, 7 and 9, 16, left side 6. 1 carry on, 2, 3, 3620. So we got this upper figure, 3620. We still need this n. Okay, so what will be n here? N will be the total of this frequency. So let us calculate what is n. Here it will be 5, then 4, 9, 9 and 5, it will be 14. 140 it will be. So just write this 140 over here. Okay. Now what we do, we just cancel out. So we can cancel 0 by 0, then we can cancel by 2. So let's do it. 2 7s are 14 it will be. Then 2 1s are 2. Start with small number only. Okay. 2 1s are 2, 2 8s are 16, 2 1s are 2. 181. Now we can proceed. Like 7 1s are 7. Now this will 7 to the 14. 4 remaining. 7 5 the 35. 6 remaining. 60. 7 8 the 50. So something 25.8 will be your x bar or your mean. This is how we can solve the numerical of. Let me remove this all this rough work. Okay. Here you can see how we calculated. The class interval will be given in continuous series. What I did? Simply, I just calculated the mid value by lower limit plus upper limit divided by 2. क्या किया? Lower limit upper limit को जोड़ा है और 2 से उसको divide किया. This is the formula to calculate this mid value. Okay. Then what I did? F into x I did. 3620 is the total of this fx, because as per formula I want total of fx divided by n. What is n? N is nothing but the total of frequency. Okay. So dividing it by 140. What is the result we are getting? 25.8, which is going to be our mean. Please note it down.